We don't just sell a commodity. We research it, manufacture it, deliver it, and support our customers through the whole process. And over the last 84 years, this locally owned business has built itself into an industry leader. Consumers Concrete is more than just concrete. It's committed to building the future of Michigan through reliable and quality products that last.
We don't do ordinary. We set the standard for value and performance, from our manufactured products to our branded products like our Tevia polish. We create solutions. In our 85-year history, Consumers Concrete has created over 9,000 mix designs to meet our customers' demanding needs.
We offer concrete masonry products in a variety of colors and textures as seen in our Bella Brick and Permagrind lines. With our scale, product selection, and professional support, we are able to supply local builders as well as large commercial and industrial projects.
And we know by holding ourselves to the highest standard, we are the company to trust when the concrete matters.